So I ordered this on Amazon. I think it was $5. Ordered it last week and it came in today, which is Monday, so about 3 or 4 days maybe. But I don't feel like it's the real deal. Like, I feel like they just, I don't know, stole it or something. But it's 2 squishies, 2 gray boats. Sorry, I didn't realize I wasn't in frame. But 2 squishies, 2 gray boats, 2 clear sparkly pens, and then there's these, which I don't feel like is diamond dots, because don't diamond dots have their logo on the wax container? I think what I've seen was, you know, their logo on the front or back of the wax. But I just wanted to try it out and see what it felt like. It feels hard and dried out. And it is hard and dried out. It's not as sticky as Diamond Art Club or anything like that. Well, it just feels like standard wax. So not exactly what I expected. I don't know what I expected, to be honest. I just got it to try it out. But I figured I'd try it on a canvas and go from there. I will try it on what I call Belle's Rose from Beauty and the Beast. I got this one from AliExpress. It's just a 20 by 30, 17 colors. It's not sticky at all. I put the parchment paper over it because I didn't like the opaque paper that was on it. The opaque paper just is too thick for me. Personal preference, you know, I mean, to each their own. Oh, sorry, bumped you guys. But it's a pretty canvas. Looks better on camera. And the drill field's pretty clear. We've got 3 10s. Lovely 3 10s. Alright. Let's place a few drills down here. Move the stuff out of the way. La la la. Sorry, crinkling. There's no DMC codes on these, but there's some dark pink, some really, really light pink, some, I guess that'd be pink. This one's more of a purpley pink. And then we got a blue, a navy blue. Sorry, lighting's bad. Oh, my favorite color blue, that royal blue. We got a lighter blue. And another shade of blue, a little bit of a darker blue. another shade of pink, and another shade of pink. This is more like a reddy pink, so. And then purple. Love that purple. A lighter purple. Wonder what color that could be. And there's more colored purple. If you hear noise in the background, it's because I have children. Lovely, lovely children. But let's get the 310s open. Just a second. Sorry, background noise. I forgot to bring my scissors. But not even in frame. Hold on, let's see if this will be a little bit better. Going down, you guys. Going down. Nope, not any better. Excuse me. Okay. Well. Anyways. Here's the tray. Here's the 310s. And I don't know if you guys can tell, but I'm still nervous. I feel like a doofus talking to myself. I mean, but hey, whatever. A is number 3, and I believe that was this pack. Yeah. Okay. And yeah, it just feels like the regular pink wax. But it's alright. It's not what I expected, but it'll be alright. Yeah. Like I said, I ordered it from Amazon, and I think I think that I paid like $5 or $6, I think. I don't know, I have to look it up, and I'll let y'all know when I upload this video. Yeah, it's just, I guess it's a little bit softer than the, excuse me, the regular wax, but oh, I just was expecting something different. I know, oh, I can't remember who it was. Was it, I want to say it was Sherry that said it was softer than the regular wax, but not quite as soft as the Diamond Art Club. But it's like I said, better than the other wax. Sorry guys, I'm extremely nervous for some reason. First video, first commentary, jitters. Woo! Gotta start somewhere. I was gonna try to go live, but I don't have the nerve for that. Yeah, I don't have the nerve for that. What letter is that? Let's see. But, I'm just going to work on this a little bit more, and I'll keep y'all updated on the progress of this. It'll be, well, I don't know when I'll get it done. I got this huge one that I'm working on now that's for my son. for his room, so I'm not sure when I'll be able to finish this quote unquote snack size one. Hey, thanks, Mrs. Coffee. But I'll work on it here and there, and we'll see. We'll see what it looks like when it's finished. I should have got this in a bigger size for the detail, but I don't know. I'm just such a fan of Beauty and the Beast and Belle and the rose. I love the rose, and this just reminded me of it. As you can tell, my favorite flower, if you haven't already guessed, is the rose. They stink, but they're my favorite flower. They're just so beautiful. I love them. But anyways, yeah, that's it for this video, guys. I guess I'll catch you on the other end. I'm nervous. Don't judge me too hard. Can't wait to read the comments. We'll see y'all later. Bye-bye.